Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, switching banks is kinda doable. Like some people just have some problems within their old banks and they want to change it. But you are currently checking on how to actually change your bank account on Etsy. So, if you are using Etsy payments, you can update your bank details anytime, fast and easy. So, let's get started. So all we're gonna do now is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for Etsy.com. And don't even worry if you are using iOS or Android, you can go through the app. So for you guys, go to Etsy.com, tap on this website, then open it, go all the way to login, go all the way to look for Shop Manager, then look for Finances. So basically when you tap on Shop Manager, then Finances, you have payment settings. So under the bank details, you can click update or customize or change. Then you should enter your new account information, confirm and save changes. But Etsy may temporarily pause deposits for security reasons. So they may pause you for like 48 hours, 72 hours, something like this. As for like bonus tips, update your bank info before your next payout date. Watch your email for verification requests. Then expect a short deposit hold after the changes. That's basically a security pattern that some companies use, such as Binance, Etsy, and even more platforms. So that's it for today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.